Awesome! Welcome to the wonderful world of Waikato Sheds, my friends. What a beautiful day. We're here in Waihi Beach and we have got another special project underway. 2-story beach house. This is gonna be phenomenal. All steel framing. Cheers to our mates at Steelhaus. They've sorted us all out with this. We've just got stage 1, the first floor framings going on here. Kyron's been taking care of that. But we've got Mark the builder here with us today.
G'day.
Hey Mark, how's it going?
Yeah, really good.
Why don't we walk through, Mark, and just walk us through and tell us what's going to be going on in this stage, a few tips and tricks and how this steel framing works, eh?
Yeah, awesome. Okay, so one of the big things is, obviously when you're getting your steel house supplied, it's just going to come in on truckloads. You'll see a bit of footage of that, and what you want to do is just split it up as much as you can depending on how big your site is. Obviously having your first floor closest, everything from them's numbered. It has numbers on everything, so as it comes in you can check on your plans and then allocate it into piles from what you're going to need first to what you're going to need last. That's going to make the job flow a lot smoother and be a lot easier. So that's what the guys have done.
Shane, Sean, we were making sure of that on Tuesday, so you can see the footage. We were trying our hardest. Don't blame us, Kyron.
So they've done that, and then Kyron's come through and stood in the first frames. And what we usually like to do, you just sort of, it's a jigsaw, you start at one corner and then work your way round, and you build an outside wall and then build a room, and that room acts as bracing to hold it all in position. So what you're going to do is lay it all out first and then make sure all your lines are perfectly straight before you drill everything in and put it in permanently. So that's what they've done here. A little tip as you come through this doorway, obviously they've put this piece of steel on this doorway so when they transport it, it's easier to move. And what they've done is gone through and done a cut through there to allow it, so then once this is ready to cut out, they'll just cut the rest of the way through and be able to take that piece of steel out and put in an amazing bit of joinery in here.
So coming through, there's a few little things I'll point out that I know from the design of this that's very cool. Is Quinn Engineering, great Kira Peihi, Alex Quinn, great guy, Stillwater the community. He's built an awesome new shed there, but they're going to be putting a lift into this, so it's a 2-story house here. So yeah, boop, boop, send them up. And then over in here, now this is going to be an awesome beach house for a great farming family, so there's going to be lots of kids running around. So they're going to have a big wet room in there, so lots of showers, so when you come in off the beach, they're going to be able to sort themselves out. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to this thing coming together. We've got a beautiful slab here. Cheers to the team and the crew from A1. A couple of videos ago, Mark was there pouring a small garage slab with the crew. Well, they'll do those, but they also do these massive rib raft slabs here, so it's all braced up for a 2-story house.
Yeah, fantastic.
So, anything else we want to go through here, Mark?
A couple of little things, if this is going to be one of your first builds doing this, is things like this on your plans. You can see that they've put bracing into it, but this is also an arrow, so on your plans you can see which way your frames are going in, which way round things are going, which just makes it a lot easier to do. And one of the things I really like about the Steelhaus is everything's pre-drilled for the electrical and the plumbing. All your top plates have always got drilled holes in them for your electrical to go through, so you know your bottom plate, no holes, makes that easy to get it the right way round. But it just makes it way quicker that we can get these frames up quickly, and an electrician's going to be able to come through, run all the cables, plumber's going to be able to run all the water, and they're not going to have to muck around drilling and getting in each other's way. So it just really speeds up the process, which in the long term saves you money and just makes the whole thing smoother, so the people can be in here enjoying the beach and enjoying the long weekends. So it's fantastic.
We'll pretty much finish up with that, guys. We're going to do it all. don't worry, I know there'll be a few questions. Whoa, building with steel at the beach, what about that? Don't worry, we're wrapping it all. We've got some IBS product in there, so there's thermal break, there's a wood paneling, and then there's paper, so the whole thing's going to be super enclosed. Then we're going to put some cavity batting across that, which was what we were just dropping off earlier. Then we're going to have some awesome T-rib cladding. Our mates Roofing Industries are going to be hooking us up with that, so Colour Steel Max, designed for the beach. This place is awesome. We're going to get some time lapse going on of this, and yeah, I can't wait to, you know, be chilling out here and enjoying a beer. You guys know how much I'm into those. Alright guys, you have a great day. Any questions, comment below. We always love a comment. Give us a like, it spreads the love, and if you haven't, subscribe. And other than that, have a great weekend.
Cheers.